Namaste, EET-CRS Education Expo TV and 6th South Asian Education Award 2020. I am Dr. Veda Malgati. I hail from Hubli, Dharwad, Karnataka state. Basically, I am a graduation from Mumbai University. After my marriage, I came down to Hubli, Dharwad and pursued my further education qualifications. I added up my CMA Inter as well as finished my diploma in export management. Even NET, I have cleared NET, as well as PhD in MBA from Karnataka University, Karnataka state here itself. Apart from this, I have industrial experience also in a total of 7 years, 2 which are from Mumbai, and in Mumbai I have worked under cottage industry and clearing forwarding agencies, and in Karnataka, industrial experience includes my work experience under chartered accountant and one of the supervisor in one of the industrial industry of fabrication. So this I can inculcate as well as bring in this quality experience, share this experience in the classroom, where I am currently working as assistant professor in Chetan Business School. So you can see academic experience overall I have 10 years, because 5 years I have worked as full-time PhD under UGC fellowship. And these 5 years I have tried to bring in or mold the children with different way of learning, to inculcate the values of, or you can say, through simulation exercise, I wanted to trigger the mode of learning in them. I wanted to bring in the quality education, try to bring in the quality education in the students. One form is from activity or from events. So events in the sense, I have organized many inter-college competitions between UG and PG students. Okay, and try to bring in simulate the innovativeness and the creativity among the students through events based on the theme like best out of waste. Okay, and it may be rangoli without using powder, and marketing for the products which is not in usual form, and even drawing, painting without brush. So these are the few things which helps me to make them think about something. And some of most important simulation exercise which I have brought in was the King Kong competition, where we used to give them money and they have to earn profit through that money and then do the presentation. There was some time period fixed for it, and even the amount was fixed for it. So within 1 month, whatever they earn, they have to do the presentation. So based on the presentation, they would be given the scores as well as declared the business leaders of the college. So likewise, through different events and through different simulation exercises, try to bring the quality education among the students. And for me, it was really a challenging part, because from tier 1 to tier 3, working from tier 1 to tier 3 students, the challenges are very different. Tier 1, we have many ample opportunities and it's sufficient enough, available, easily available, whereas those are the constraints in tier 3. So with this, I believe in 4 P's. 4 P's, obviously: prudence, persistence and preservations. All these 3 P's will lead to perfection. So this is all I want to convey the message to you all, and thank you for giving me an opportunity for expressing myself. It's my immense pleasure to stand in front of you to convey this gratitude towards you. Thank you and all.